there. What does a 38-year-old driving a 1.8 crore Mercedes tell us about new age wealth creation, global supply chain, manufacturing hubs, luxury buying in India? I'm Sheuli and I went behind the scenes during my reporting days at NDTV at Mercedes-Benz India to decode how aspiration, affordability, assembly lines intersect in country's luxury car market. At 38, at the age of mere 38, the average Indian Mercedes S-Class buyer isn't just affluent. They are a testament to rapid wealth creation. But behind that sleek grille lies a fascinating global dance of supply chain, manufacturing, precision and shifting aspirations. From German knockdowns to 30% local materials, which is being provided very easily in India, at rupees 2.55 crore, Austrian G-Wagon and even the 4 crore Maybach GLS from USA. Every car on Indian roads narrates the story of intricate logistics and how it is executed. Waiting periods stretch from 15 days to a year, depending on where your dream machine starts its journey. In my conversation on the Core Reports weekend edition with Mercedes-Benz India's MD during my reporting days, the first Indian to hold that position, we dived into almost more than 25 models, catered to fewer than 20,000 annual buyers. Why such variety? Because personalization, status signaling and utility have nuanced demands even in niche market. I have witnessed the meticulous assembly of the GLS SUV at the Chakan plant near Pune, where precision engineering meets Indian ingenuity. Mercedes EV strategies, competition, heat and value perceptions all point to one truth. In India, luxury is no longer just about possession, it's about personal expression, personal experience and personalization. What is the average buyer in India? It's 38. Model sourced from Germany, Austria, USA. Local content, almost 30% in some cars. More than 25 models are greater than 20,000 buyers who are targeting in that bracket, 30 to 40. Waiting time, 15 days to 1 year. EVs and competition is shaping the future choices. Now, luxury, logistic, lifestyle, personalization, having bespoke car. Which part of India's Mercedes story excites you the most? I was pretty excited when I had covered this story. Share your thoughts below. Would you wait for a year for a car that defines you? Let's discuss how aspiration, personalization, engineering co-drive India's evolving luxury landscape. Let's hear your side of the story. Do like, share, subscribe our channel.